Elite Early Bird 36.98. We are full. Make sure I pulled it on the site. I did. We're full. Good luck. Good luck. Dice roll 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here. 7 here. Packers up top. Patriots at the bottom. 7 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Danny up top. Kevin at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Packers didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Elite Early Bird. Good luck. Here we go. Elite Bird, good luck, good luck. Good luck here, guys. Good luck. Elite Early Bird. Here we go. Starting off with CeeDee Lamb. Will Anderson Jr., rookie elitist filler. Jaden Reed, he had 2 touchdowns today. Jaden Reed, 131 out of 999 for the Packers. First auto, Tyler Scott, 52 out of 99 for the Chicago Bears. And Chuck Iverson. There you go, Chuck. Austin Eckler. Kid Reporter. Playmakers, Josh Allen. Blue, Paris Johnson to 99 for the Cardinals. Chubb, Joey Bosa. Mike Williams for the Chargers to 399. Tua. Jordan Love. Anthony Richardson, a rookie on deck. Hopefully he's back soon. He was looking good today before he went down. Filler. Darnell Washington for the Steelers, 35 out of 80 for Pittsburgh. 35 out of 80. Matt Stafford. Jalen Hurts, elitist. Dalton Kincaid to 9.99. Nice one here. Pen Pals, Marvin Mims. He had a nice game today. Marvin Mims for the Broncos on the Pen Pals. Denver. And Tim. There you go, Tim. Hit you in a football break. Jones, Herbie, DK, Tyree Wilson to 3.99. Third overall pick, I believe. Raiders. And Chuck Iverson. Next up for Pittsburgh, 105 out of 375, Craftsman, George Pickens. Elite Deck, Joe Burrow. For the card, Justin Fields to 99 on the die cut for the Bears. Fieldsy. To 99. Garoppolo. Cavante Turpin to 349. Filler. Kid Reporter Jamar Chase, High Life. Got Debo. Isaiah Pacheco to 399 for Kansas City. Nice one for the Chiefs on the Pacheco. Jair Alexander. Brock Purdy. Kid Reporter, Travis Kelce. Russell Wilson, Bijan to 9.99 for the Falcons. Another guy who had a good game. Going to Braden Edwards. Bijan Robinson. Last little stack here. Kid Reporter, Playmakers Dak. Orange Tyree Wilson, another one to 3.99 for the Raiders. We got two in the same box. Filler. Bijan, rookie elitist. Got Jamal. Patrick Mahomes, Field Vision. 62 out of 75. That's a sweet looking card for Kansas City. Going to Tim. Christian Watson and Saquon Barkley. Quick recap. Got Mahomes. Bijan Wilson. Bijan again. Pacheco, Turpin, Fields. Pickens, Wilson, Marvin Mims, Pen Pals, Kincaid, Washington, Richardson, Williams, Paris Johnson, Tyler Scott, and Jaden Reed. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.